Hey there, Mark Shepard here, talking about hazelnut rejuvenation, renewal. In the upper Midwest, we've tried all kinds of things, from renewal pruning to coppicing to hedging. Once the plants have had a full productive life, 10, 12, sometimes into 15 years. Well, then what? Well, what I've started to do recently, I've talked about it quite a bit, is this row of trees that we see in front of us, hazelnut bushes in front of us, weren't as productive and they were susceptible to eastern filbert blight. So what I've done is I've started planting in the alley on either side. And now I'm going to mow this. I already mowed through once or twice, and I just took the chainsaw now to take down the rest of the tops. It'll take 2 or 3 years for that crown, all those stems, it's a huge root system underground. It'll take a few years for them to stop sending up shoots, and in the meantime I mow it closer and closer and closer while the shrubs on either side begin to come into production.